So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to reduce shrinkage and prevent flat hair. If you've been struggling with shrinkage and struggling to prevent flat hair, here's what I do and what's been working for me. This is actually my day 4 hair. If you guys haven't seen my recent video on my curly hair routine, make sure to go check that out. Okay, so the first step of this whole process is just spraying your hair with some water. This process is very easy and very simple to do, and I've realized that it's actually pretty uncommon and many people don't know about it, but that's why I share these tips so you guys can get the information you need for your hair. So after spraying my hair with some water, I just began to shake my hair just to loosen everything up. After spraying my hair with some water, this is what my hair looks like. This is just something I decided to add into the video. Some parts of my hair was just a little too frizzy for my liking, so I just took some gel and then I just recoiled my sections. So after everything I did up until this point in the video, it definitely got rid of my flat hair. So here's how to reduce shrinkage. So what you guys want to do is that you guys want to take 4 elastics and then section your hair into 4 equal quadrants. There are many techniques and ways to reduce shrinkage, but one of my personal favorites is the bending method. The bending method can reduce shrinkage significantly. It involves stretching and securing small hair sections with snag-free elastic bands. You guys might be asking, how long should I keep my hair sectioned with the elastics? So you guys can leave it in for about 2 hours and your hair should be good. But a better and more efficient way of doing this is doing it before you go to sleep, because you're sleeping for so many hours and in all those hours your hair is being stretched. Now I'm going to introduce my family's very own hair growth oil. CG oil, aka Crown and Glory, is a popular hair growth oil that's helped me grow my hair and I've seen great results with it. Formulated with natural oils like sweet almond and macadamia, our hair growth oil fortifies your hair, reducing breakage and split ends. Enjoy stronger, healthier hair with every use. The link will be in my description as always for anyone who's interested. So now I'm going to take the elastics out of my hair. Every time I do this method, my hair looks so long, and I feel like the banding method looks better once it's done after your wash day because your hair is actually super curly and it would look even better stretched out. Another thing that you guys can do is take a wide tooth comb or any pick for that matter and just pick your roots out. And this is what my hair looks like after being stretched out. This is the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. I had a lot of fun making this video, and if you guys want to see more, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.